Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making crispy honey Cajun wings. You will need 1 pound of chicken wings, 1 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a small bowl, combine your salt, pepper, and paprika. Now add 1 teaspoon of the Cajun seasoning and your garlic powder, then mix until well combined. Make sure your wings have been cleaned and thoroughly dried, then add them to a bowl, then add your baking powder. Now add your seasoning mixture, then mix until all of your pieces have been well coated. Place your wings in the air fryer in small batches, then set your temperature to 390 degrees. Allow your wings to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove your wings from the air fryer and set them aside. Using medium heat, bring a small pot to temperature, then melt your butter. Now add the honey and the remaining Cajun seasoning, then mix until all your ingredients are well combined. Now place your wings in a bowl, then pour in your honey Cajun sauce. Now mix, making sure that each piece has been well coated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.